Of course, we are here to launch the book Inside Out, and our chief guest needs no introduction. But on the dais, it will be a gentleman who is representing GoaWriters, who is a stalwart in literature. I won't say Cockney literature, but he's a stalwart of literature. I'd like to request Bhai Damodar Mauzo to please come up here. And of course, as I said, our chief guest for the evening needs no introduction. I'll just say his name, Mr. Amitav Ghosh. And Bhai Mauzo is a part of GoaWriters. Please have a seat, gentlemen. And Mr. Amitav Ghosh also, as and when an opportunity presents itself, has been coordinating, helping, whatever word you like, with GoaWriters. And he's always been a helping hand as far as GoaWriters is concerned. Whenever he's in Goa, he attends our meetings, and he's always been very, very supportive of GoaWriters. And of course, Bhai Damodar Mauzo also needs no introduction. He has also been a backbone of GoaWriters for a long time now. I'd like to request Bhai to give an introduction of our chief guest.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of GoaWriters Group and on my personal behalf, I extend to you, all of you, a very warm welcome, especially to the distinguished guest whom we have invited to launch the book, Amitav Ghosh. To be true to my tongue, let me say, ¿Cómo están? Mae mogatso eukar. Though things have been told about GoaWriters Group, let me add a few things to it. It was about 6 years back or so when our veteran Goan writer Victor Rangel Ribeiro mooted the idea of Goan writers from Goa meeting at regular intervals and discussing their works. Subsequently, a few writers came together and started the movement. I call it a movement, the Goa Writers movement, which evolved in a small group. We have a limited membership, but it is growing both in number and in quality. As has been told, Goa Writers is a cross-section of writers from various fields. We have celebrities like Wendell Rodrigues, who has a lot of things to say about his life experience and his memoirs. And we have writers who are not so very famous, but then yet they have a lot of talent among them. And we, at every meeting, we discuss and critique our works, our submissions. What is more important is we have writers from with different parts of India, not only in Goa, from Bombay, from Delhi, and also as far away as United States and Canada. We discuss, we exchange the views, we share the thoughts almost on daily basis, of course, in the cyberspace. But we do meet every month regularly and discuss and critique our submissions. As has been told, Goa Writers Group has never been in the limelight, mainly because we don't seek any publicity. We work as a closed group and work towards improving or honing our skills. We, as has been told, recently we organized the first ever Art and Literary Festival, which was organized at International Center Goa. We were very much part of it. Can you hear me? Yes. I'll be a little louder. Goa Writers Group was very active and had a major role to play when the first ever Festival of Art and Literature took place in Goa. Along with International Center Goa and Sahitya Academy, Goa Writers Group put in their efforts, and I must say it was a grand success. Literary giants like Dr. U.R. Anandamurthy and luminaries like Mridula Garg Their presence and participation made the event even more memorable. And I can assure you, on behalf of Goa Writers Group, and thanks to resourceful and ever enthusiastic Nandini Sahai, the director of ICG, you will witness yet another, the second festival of art and literature in the, come December, and you will see it. And I invite you all to please make it there and see for yourselves. Friends, this is the first time that Goa Writers Group is coming out with their publication. We are very happy and very excited about it. And we have reasons to be happy on two counts. One, this is the first ever publication of Goa Writers Group containing their own writings. Two, the book is being launched at the hands of none other than the world-renowned celebrity writer Amitav Ghosh. Amitav Ghosh needs no introduction, and particularly to the literary crowd which is in front of me. From Circle of Reasons to Sea of Poppies, he has over half a dozen of novels to his credit. All of them have been bestsellers. He has won Sahitya Akademi Award, which is the most prestigious award given by the National Academy of Letters in India. And he has won multiple international awards. I would rather dare not take any names, mainly because most of the names of the awards are in German language or Italian language or some other language, and which are tongue-twisting for me. So please excuse me for that. But I must say, his Sea of Poppies, the first volume of the trilogy, which was launched in Goa right here at this venue at Literati, went on to be nominated for Man Booker's Award. It bagged the prestigious Vodafone Crossword Award, and as late as this year, maybe a couple of months back, the book brought him the Dan David Prize, which is a very coveted award. Amitav Ghosh has been a source of inspiration for Goa writers. Well, I don't think he needs any more introduction, but I must say how happy we are today. We are happy because of his long-time association with Goa Writers Group, and as I said, he has been very supportive and very inspirational to us. And his association, we consider it is in high esteem. Friends, as a writer, I have to say, every writer likes to see his written work in print, whether it is established writer like Amitav Ghosh, or whether it is not so significant writer like Damodar Mauzo. But every writer, I believe, likes to see his word in print. I write a story and I am excited about it, I am happy about it, but when I see it in print, my happiness is doubled. And so here, right now, we have about 29 writers, because I can't forget my translator friend Xavier Kotta. So though we have 28 contributions, we have 29 writers here who are very happy and would like to share our joy with you. I thank you very much for being here, for sparing your precious time to be with us and to share our joy. Thank you very much.
Please bear with us, ladies and gentlemen. The lights have come on. We're just setting this up once again. So please bear with us for a few moments.
There's a generator there.